There are new developments tonight in the heartbreaking case of an 11-month-old boy who died in 2017 after he was allegedly shaken by his daycare provider. The Hennepin County Attorney's Office is giving a final review of the case that has lingered for nearly 8 years. Tonight, the parents of the little boy, Gabe Cooper, spoke out for the first time since his death, as well as the husband of the daycare provider charged with murder, who is now suing the doctors who labeled Gabe's death shaken baby syndrome. Lou Raguse is here with a KARE 11 exclusive. Lou?
Julie, Sylvia Pollock Reynolds is charged with second-degree murder but is out of the country. Her husband accused medical professionals of fraud, while Gabe Cooper's parents say they want justice.
He's just an old man right there.
Nearly 8 years have passed since the day Joe Cooper dropped off his son Gabe at daycare.
I miss him.
Only for his wife Sam to learn a couple hours later that something was terribly wrong.
And I got a phone call from Sylvia. I couldn't understand anything she was saying.
It was Gabe's third day of daycare at Sylvia Pollock Reynolds' house, where Gabe's sister had gone for a couple years. According to a criminal complaint, Sylvia told police she went to the backyard briefly to check on the other children, and when she returned, Gabe was limp. Joe got there to find paramedics giving Gabe CPR.
Sylvia was being interviewed by Minneapolis PD, and as soon as she seen me, her focus turns over to me, and I kept hearing just, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. That's all I heard from her.
Gabe turned 1 year old in the hospital, then died.
God, he was such an amazing kid.
Court papers say the opinion of medical experts was that Gabe suffered an acceleration-deceleration injury, commonly called shaken baby syndrome. Months later, the Hennepin County Attorney's Office charged Sylvia with second-degree murder, but she was in Poland and has not returned.
What reason does she have to believe that she would get a fair trial?
Will Reynolds believes his wife Sylvia is innocent.
Why do you believe Sylvia?
Why do I believe? Because the evidence indicates that Sylvia didn't do anything wrong with that child. That's why.
Will has filed a federal lawsuit accusing medical professionals of conspiracy, specifically altering records to exclude other possibilities for Gabe's death.
They omitted exculpatory medical evidence and the CT imaging that clearly demonstrated an injury on the back of Gabriel's head that pre-existed Sylvia's care.
While Joe and Sam say Gabe crawled off the couch 1 week earlier and bumped his forehead, they say a second fall alleged in the lawsuit affecting the back of his head never happened. They provided these videos to police showing Gabe acting normally in the week after the fall.
And he basically, he had fallen off the couch and he got a little bit of a rug burn on the side of his forehead. And there was no other side effects or after effects afterwards.
The Coopers are speaking publicly for the first time, feeling that as the years go by without Sylvia's case going to court, their son is the one being forgotten.
I just want some kind of justice for my son. Through this entire ordeal, there's a child that's not here anymore. What about him? I want some kind of justice for him.
Now, the Hennepin County Attorney's Office sent me a statement today that says they are working to address concerns regarding the medical conclusions and the overall strength of the case, saying, quote, "We are committed to completing a final thorough review of this case to clarify the path forward for all parties." Julie.
Wow. Thank you, Lou.